rich boy, sell it quick. Fuck niggas wanna jack shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, sell it quick. Fuck niggas wanna jack shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch. Just bought a Cadillac.
Hello, my name is Peter. I'm from Holland. I'm 56 years old and I have now almost 10 years my R32 Mark IV from 2004. It even has DSG on it. There are only 5 cars in Holland with it, so it's a little bit unique that way. And in the meantime I had to rebuild some stuff because the 240 horsepower, it's okay, but for the younger ones, and I did it by TVS, almost everything, and it's a very nice company. They do all perfectly, just the way you want it. And the things I have changed are the brakes. I have in front, I have the Porsche brakes, 340. In the back I have the Porsche brakes. I put some Bilsteins on it. I have a custom made exhaust. In that way I have only one little muffler and the rest is sound. Then go over to the engine. As you can see, there's a very big turbo on it. We have the air intake under here, so I have to put the battery on the back. The completely rebuilt engine with the pistons. Everything is brand new. High performance. It can go up to 1000 horsepower. I have only 630 and my torque is 750 Newton meters. A lot of custom made things, and as you can see, this is the work of TVS and they did a very nice job.